General IT control. The policies and procedure that relate to many application and support the effective function of application control. Okay. And they apply to framework, they apply to mainframe, they apply to end user environment, general IT control, controls, including control over data central, network operations, system software acquisition, change and maintenance, access security, application system acquisition, development and maintenance. We will see each and every component. General IT control. So the policy and procedure relating to many applications and support effective function of application controls. What is this application control? Those people who has specific rights to use that system can only use the system. Those persons who have specific right to modify the system, modify the data, they are only able to modify the data. Other person can't access, can't view, can't modify, can't delete any of the system. That is a general IT. They apply to mainframe. Mainframe now what? The main computer in your office you have a accounting software. That accounting software only can be accessed by accountant. Mini frame. What is that? In that accounting, sales entry, purchase entry. This person can only do purchase entry. This can do only sales entry. Verification of that entry is another person. That is mini frame. End user environmental general IT control. The from that mainframe, another frame, that is every sale which we made is viewed only for the person who had received the goods, the end user, who is that our customer, our Amazon. We have in the Amazon, you go and purchase something, and after purchase there is a delivery, and now you want to view what I purchased. So in the end user is myself. I'm going to use Amazon mainframe, where in the mini frame of sales purchases I can see this item I can see. So this entry which is showing is only my purchases, not any other purchases. So that includes control over data center and network operation. So no others data is not viewed, control is there. Network operation, proper network, one not any data in the network passing. Only the intended user data is should viewed over this mainframe or mainframe. Others data is been controlled. And change in the maintenance and access control. If there is going to be maintenance in that software, only the respective person can do it. Access security, only the authorized person. Two step authentication, fingerprint authentication, such kind of things only as a security measure to control the data, application system acquisition, development and maintenance. Some third party we are giving them to have a maintenance and develop this features in our website or the data frame or system integration. So the old data in the new data is being integrated, so such to be securely formed. These all forms in the general IT controls.